I'm going to show you how to add transitions between scenes. So once we're happy with our first clip and we've edited it, we're going to add a second clip to our timeline. And remember, I said I'm not going to have any sound to it, so I'm going to unlink and delete the audio file that was attached to that. So now I've got two clips together, but when you play them together, they just don't look right. So they need to have a transition into it. So we're going to click Effects in our boxes, and then if we look at video transitions, we'll try to experiment with any effect. So I've added an additive dissolve just to experiment to see how that will look in my clip. So you can change the direction of where the clip goes. So if you click, it will come up with effect controls, and you have a chance to actually play around with it. So if you want to put the clip in the center at cut, so exactly where it cuts together, or you can put it right at the end of the first clip, or you can put it at the start of the second clip. So you can have a little play around. As I said, if you go to Effects, go to Video Transitions, and then you'll see a list of options you can use, and that's how you add transitions to your clips.